Hello everybody. The rate of heating in a microwave depends on the oven's power and upon the water content, density and amount of food. Microwave energy doesn't penetrate well into thicker food and that leads to uneven cooking. So what should you do? Let food rest for some time after microwaving. Stir well, check the temperature, and very importantly, don't microwave milk for your baby. Some parts may be much hotter and can scald your baby's mouth and tongue. Share this with new parents. It could prevent a burn. Thank you.